My name is Niket Chaudhary. I work as product manager at Byteridge. The one thing that I always like to keep on my work desk are disanglement puzzles. Listen to music. I like to kind of listen to some nice songs, maybe also fiddle around with my disanglement puzzles to just kind of get my head off what I'm currently doing. I love nature. I'm a nature person. I love adventure. I basically like to do some mountain biking, and if it's a very, very heavy work day or work week, I would like to actually just go out for a walk. The openness of people, the management being approachable, anybody being approachable, the help that is always extended by everybody, and just seems that every challenge is so achievable. Very satisfying. You'll get a lot of opportunities, you'll get a lot of exposure, you'll get to basically experience a lot different sides of you. Me working as a product manager for Byteridge, I get to engage with a lot of clients, get to know, get to figure out a lot of new business models, get to interact and think about a lot of new products that are to come to the market. So it is very, very engaging. It is very, very challenging as well.